Ride from Blarney to Cork on Cork and Muskerry Light Railway was filmed in late spring 1902 in preparation for the cinematograph show at the Cork International Exhibition. The film starts with long panoramic shots of the Coldhurst family mansion in Blarney. After concentrating on the spring foliage, we finally get the view of Blarney Castle through the trees. A sharp edit brings us fully into the middle of the journey, showing us part of the ride from Blarney to Cork. The camera itself was mounted inside the carriage to give the sensation of travelling on the train. This approach was very popular in early cinema and gained the name Phantom Rides. The next section of the film starts with the train going through Leamount Station, 3 miles from the city of Cork, and is filmed from the back of the train, showing us the landscape of the surrounding countryside. The journey continues at Carrigroan Station, where we see the station master waving the train on its way. The single-line track occupied one side of the public road, sharing it with the usual traffic and pedestrians. An electric tram on its way to Sunday's Well is shown, as are horse-drawn carts and pedestrians. The Cork and Muskerry Light Railway ran from 1897 to 1934, between the terminus in the Western Road in Cork and Blarney. Filmed from a boat, this is a phantom journey of a different kind and presents us with a series of snapshots of a voyage around Queenstown Harbour, starting with a glimpse of the Daunt lightship. Here is Roach's Point itself, the furthest point within the harbour. And here Holbolan, that sits opposite the town of Cove. We then see a fleeting glimpse of Ireland's most strategic port of call for transatlantic liners and the foremost port of emigration. The port of Cove, renamed Queenstown from 1849 to 1922, became a significant location during the mass exodus of migrants between 1848 and 1950, with an estimated 2.5 million of the 6 million leaving from Cove Harbour. The shot of the ocean liner leaving the harbour reiterates its importance as a place of exodus. The second part of the sequence reveals a further shot of the ocean liner departing from the harbour. The film bobs up and down in time to the motion of the boat upon which the cameraman was filming, providing us with a true sensation of the phantom boat ride itself. Shots of the quayside filmed on a Sunday morning form part of the title Albert Quay in Cork, 1902. The quayside was named in honour of Prince Albert's visit in 1849 and was under the control of the Cork Harbour Commissioners. The filming concentrates on a long panning shot of the activities on the quayside. Local horse traffic, fishermen on their boats, and local people walking along the quay are filmed on their way to church. Behind, one can see the great houses of Montenotte, home to many of the Cork merchants. A man in a long coat and white hat can be spied always within view of the camera. He seems to be directing from a distance. Appearing midway through the film, he can be seen firmly within the camera's frame for the rest of the film, which ends as he walks towards the camera.